Good morning, Ambazonia.
The bad news is that everyone is a potential victim. But the good news is that everyone is a potential solution.
Today, we want to talk about coronavirus and for interview one Ambazonian way that catch coronavirus. Way there for UK.
The coronavirus is sweeping over mankind.
Everybody must be alert. It's a global pandemic we can never take for granted.
Coronavirus, the vaccination it don't come out. People they need to see fall for ground, they die for abroad. Like how if it start them when this thing it be come out. Today na number 20 day for the month for December 2020. I do one for interview some coronavirus Ambazonian way there for United Kingdom, Great Britain, where you don't catch coronavirus. It been a medical officer. So maybe we could talk for you for give una more information about this palaver Koro. Hello, good morning, my brother.
Good morning, my brother.
So I do want to interview you for this No Connie Talk show. We hear say you don't catch coronavirus.
Yes.
Ashia. Now how long way
Thank you.
Now how long you know say you be don't catch coronavirus?
Don't be like I would say number 10 or 20.
Number 10 day.
Yes.
How you do feel now? You don't already well or you do see sick?
Oh, I don't well. My body dey feel back the same way it be day before I even catch the virus.
Now how you do know say coronavirus don't catch you?
I be get body ache and then I be get fever. So that I get the body ache and the fever. I take small medicine and then I feel better like for one day. Then the other day now, I can't get till like cataso. Then I say, hey, might just go check for see whether na coronavirus. Then I go for my doctor. Then my doctor send me for lab. Then they take small sample from my nose. Then the next day, the results come back say, na coronavirus I get am.
So your body be the hot and then you get fever. And you will get catarrh also during that time.
No, catarrh come now the next day. After I don't take that small medicine for fever, and the fever go down small. Then the next day catarrh come. But the body ache now it became more concern for me because I be feel weak.
Okay. So you be the bit difficult for you for breathe time where the fever be the catch you.
No. During the time where before I find out I get coronavirus, even after I know I get I never ever get problem with my breathing now.
Okay. So time where then discover and say you get coronavirus, them catch you quarantinum. That means they then catch you, isolate you for place where no man office see you.
Yeah, say as we don't get announced, they advise them, be around people, then even your own family. So they tell me, say, well, because say you don't get problem with your breathing, when the many concern, you feel go house, but you get to give us some room when only you one day. You get some small thing they call and say preparating and protecting stuff them for your door, for your room. Your family go away be mask before they come inside room. Or they will sanitize them for sanitize their hand, gloves. So you shouldn't hold that room until you monitor your own self in terms of temperature, appetite, body weakness. And then after 10 days, if you not feel any of that kind symptoms anymore, it means it is so your body don't fight the virus. Then you feel now come out of the quarantine area.
So after then see say you get them, then test them, you be positive for hospital. Then send you na same you go back for your house and then you go sit down, isolate yourself for inside room. Now how you go back for
Yes.
your house? You just cover put a mask for your face or then carry you na inside ambulance go back for your house.
So the mask, put only mask, I no get no ambulance, nothing like that. There no be any need for me for get any ambulance because I be still the function me fine. You know, I do work fine, I do breathe fine. I always say because I get them now, I don't feel just be around people them anyhow because I feel mistakenly give for another person,
So
even my family.
so as you be get the coronavirus, so now what be the main symptoms and where your body be the show am during all these 10 days where you don't get the coronavirus?
The big problem where I be feeling now, just body weakness. That one, it be dey plenty. I be the always want sleep. If I sit down for chair for maybe around 15-20 minutes, I go feel like say my skin be weak. When I sleep, I feel better. So the mostly body weakness. The fever we don't go since the catarrh we don't go. But small cough here and there be there. But mostly body weakness and my general ability for get power for work do to I normally do in every day. My biggest problem be that one.
As they leave you for hospital, now which kind of medicine they give you? They give you injection them or tablet them, they give you now which kind of medicine them?
No, they not give me no medicine. They tell me say because I be a young man where I not get any sick problem for the past. They believe say my body go fight the disease itself. Say I no need for take any medicine. But make sure say I chop fine and drink plenty water because my body will need water and chop for acidify the virus. So they don't give me no particular medicine. They only tell me say if I feel like I no fit breathe, they overemphasize now for breathing. Because say if you no fit breathe, then you no fit live. So if you get only body weakness and fever, me no over worry, just sit down for house. Make sure you get your phone with if you call person you get any emergency. But if you feel say you no fit breathe, make sure say you call your doctor so that they feel make sure say they give you oxygen they need to give you because if you know if you breathe now the danger that for the stage for coronavirus.
So after 10 days where you don't sit down for house, isolate yourself, chop fine, drink enough water, you don't wear from coronavirus where you not take no medicine.
Yes, I not take no one medicine.
That means even
The thing we
that
have to do,
chloroquine, that big medicine the way they talk you not even take no one, but you don't wear.
no, I not take no chloroquine, nothing like that one. No, my body fight them itself.
So the advice we figure for any man where if he catch coronavirus, you know get breathing problem. Where you know if you see doctor also go be na say me just sit down for place one, chop fine, drink enough water. If you no get breathing problem, you no need for begin fear over.
No, not true. I think say when you be younger, according to my doctor talk, if you be a younger person, even an older person self, if you don't get any sick before we concern your lungs, if it already make you be difficult for breathe, say me no over worry because most likely na say your body go fight the disease. So my advice for all man say if you get any second of signs, if you get coronavirus, even if you don't even test for an IED, just isolate yourself from especially your family and friends, so that then when that symptom, when you get and so you feel maybe a coronavirus, when that symptom don't go away for 10 days, most likely it means that the virus don't go. That one our people, the way they know if you get access for test. But if you fit test, you see some symptoms, advise them you test so that you know, so you get them. Once you know, so you get them, then you go isolate yourself. I don't think say I be worried before for the time I find out I get them. So I already get all my people they die this, but after 2-3 days, after my initial symptoms they go away like that. I start thinking the thing they so let's say my body go fight them because my breathing never ever be a problem.
For your house where you did the you give 'em for any man to wait for your house.
Yes, no. Say when you give woman, of course you go give for your woman. But because your contact, your woman be more close. But for picking them or other people they know, all them know, none of them know get and none of them not test positive for the thing.
Right. Thank you very much, my brother. Take care of yourself, and thank you for spending time for talk for we. God bless you and good health.
Thank you, Kapo. God bless you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was a coronavirus patient way that were already for inside the United Kingdom. May God bless una. Coronavirus it be real. Una take care for una self and for una family them as una they go about for this Christmas holiday. God bless una.
Inamoto must be a lot. It's a matter of life we can never take for granted. Discipline and personal
Kapu Daniel, signing off. God bless you.
From everyone, report anything like a symptom. Serious fever is a symptom. Dry cough is a symptom. Oh, great tamula is a symptom.